His strength is shaped through inner law, beyond all shock or strain, where matter bends to deeper truth and spirit does remain. Refined through trials, clear and still, the inner form stands bright, unbroken, steady, purified, a body made of light. Like a diamond formed in truth, unmoved by force or fear, the spiritual self stands radiant, perfect, strong and clear. From smallest spark to endless vast, one power fills the whole. The self transcends all limits now, aligned in heart and soul. As small as dust, as wide as space, the self can shift and span. It rises past all weight and pull, and moves where will has planned. No distance holds, no force resists, no goal remains undone. The inner power shapes all form by purpose clearly known. Like a diamond formed in truth, unmoved by force or fear, the spiritual self stands radiant, perfect, strong and clear. From smallest spark to endless vast, one power fills the whole. The self transcends all limits now, aligned in heart and soul. Sound and focus, calm command, the forces fall in line. Creation answers inner law through purpose so divine. No harm can touch this clarified form, no edge can break its glow. It serves the will of higher truth through all it comes to know. Perfection born of inner law, liberation made complete. The spiritual self stands luminous, beyond all loss or need. A living vessel of the whole, both human and divine. The diamond self reflects the source through space and form and